Hello my PC students. Okay, on this one I have already opened the file called data for Sumifs Frank. So open up yours, go to your V drive, your classes drive, and go to your teaching documents and open up data for Sumifs Frank and save it with your name and current date. And then go to view, I went to zoom, and I put on 150%, so you can do that. Alright, so now here, in this one here, what we want to do is we want to look at the claims, and we want to use a SUMIF to sum all the claims for the month of October in 2018. And I put a note here. The date must be in accordance with the date format on your computer. So therefore, if you look down in the bottom corner here, you see year, month, and day. All right, so, and that's what I've got here, year, month, and day. So that's what we've got to put in when we use our criteria. All right, so here on the first one, it said the SUMIFs for 1 month in 2018. All right, so we want to say equals SUMIFs. Now, you know, as soon as you start this, it says what is the sum range? The sum range are the claims. That's the range that we want to sum, that meet our criteria. All right, comma. Now, what's criteria 1? Okay, we have to select C2 to C7 because that's where our date is, right? And now we want to find all the claims for the month of October. So that means, I got to put in quotation marks here, more than or equal to October 1st. Right? So that would be 2018 because we're supposed to put in month, or pardon me, year, month, day. All right, /, and I want to put in 10/01. So that says 2018, the 10th month, the first day. Quotation marks. That's my first criteria. Comma. My second criteria range is C2 to C7. And this time I've got to put in the end of the month, right? So comma, what's my criteria? Quotation marks, and has to be less than or equal to, and again I have to put in 2018 / 10th month. At this time is the 31st day, okay? So I've said start with October 1st, more than or equal to October 1st, and end it with less than or equal to October 31st. Quotation marks, and close my parentheses. And press enter. So I got $60,664. Go Control S to save. Now let's put on my accounting format here. Actually, I'm going to highlight this cell here. Right click Format Cells, and I want number, I want accounting with a $sign and 2 decimal places, and there I have it. Now, if you wanted to question me and say, how do I know this is right? Okay, let's take a look here. I'm going to click on this claim, hold down my Control key, because I can see these are both October 1st. This is October 31st. Now, this is May 5th. That's no value to us. This is the December, that's not what we want, and this is 2017, so that's ruled out. So if I look down here, I should be able to see my sum is $60,664. So, and there's 3 items, so that's what we got, and we have an average of $20,221 if we want to check the average. Okay, that's good. So go Control S to save. Now, we want to know what are the amount of claims for 1 year. Okay, so this one should be pretty easy for you. So equal SUMIFs. Open your parentheses. What's my sum range? My sum range is my claims. This is what I want to add. Comma. What's my first criteria? Check the dates. Okay, and I need to have January 1st, right? So I have to say, quotation marks, more than equal to 2000. Oh, I made a mistake here. I've got to go back and fix it. Quotation marks, and I need more than or equal to 2018 /01 /01, because remember I want January 1st. So the first month, first day, quotation marks. All right, comma. My next criteria is still the same range, C2 to C7, comma, but I want it to end on December 31st, right? Because it's 1 year, the year of 2018. So I want quotation marks, and I want to say less than or equal to 2018 /12 /31. So I have said then I want it between January 1st of 2018 and December 31st of 2018. All right, close your parentheses, press enter, and how many did you get? You got 78,710 claims for 1 year. Okay, so you would have this claim 2018, you would have 2018, 2018, 2018, 2018, but we wouldn't have the 2017. And what did we get? 78,710. Count of 5, average was 15,742. So your little calculator down here comes in very handy when you want to check things. Okay, so that was quite easy. There was no issues there, I don't think. I think it's pretty straightforward. Now I'll widen this column, and I'm going to size this down and this down just so that you can see it better. Okay, there, I think you can see everything. Okay, so here you have 1 month. You want to say, here's my claims, I'm going to total. The criteria is to go through the dates. And remember how I told you about the dates? Every date is a number. So these are both October 1st, so they're exactly the same number. All right, so you're summing anything that is more than or equal to 2018 October 1st and less than or equal to 2018 October 31. In this one, you are summing, again, the claims, but this time it's for the year. So it's more than equal to 2018 01/01, which is January 1st, and you want the whole year, so it has to be less than or equal to 2018 December 31st. So you already knew some ifs, you just extended your knowledge. All right, that's good. So let's save it, and we'll stop there.